Ever thought about what really happens when you have an attack? Anxiety attacks are a physical reaction to stress or fear. These attacks aren't just in your head, but a mix of reactions that happen in both your mind and body. First, anxiety slowly builds up. It doesn't just come out of nowhere. It's like a slow fire that gets bigger over time. This could be over hours, days, or even weeks. You might start feeling a little uneasy or nervous about something or some thought. This worry keeps growing, getting worse and more constant. This constant worry, the second thing about an anxiety attack, makes it different from normal everyday stress. It's a worry that keeps bothering you and won't go away. It's like a worry loop that keeps playing in your head, making it hard to think about anything else. Then you might things in your body. You might feel restless, like you can't sit still. You might feel tired, a kind of tired that doesn't go away no matter how much you rest. Muscle is another common thing. You might find yourself making your fists tight, clenching your jaw, or feeling a knot in your stomach. These things you feel in your body are because of the mental and emotional stress you're through. Lastly, it's important to know that anxiety attacks can last for a long time, even days. It's not just a quick moment of fear, but a long time of high-stress worry. These attacks can be set off by specific things or thoughts, anything that you see as scary or worrying. So, an anxiety attack is a long experience that often comes with worry or fear about a specific thing. A mix of mental and physical things you feel, showing how much our thoughts and feelings can affect our bodies. Understanding this is the first step to dealing with anxiety attacks and, in the end, to better mental health. Have you ever thought about how a panic attack feels? This is a question lots of us wonder about, especially when we're trying to understand someone who's had one. So, let's talk about it. Panic are sudden and strong feelings of fear or discomfort that can come out of nowhere, often without warning. Imagine you're walking down a quiet street and suddenly a tiger jumps out at you. That's how scared we're talking about, but there's no real tiger, there's no real danger, but your mind and body act like there is. One thing you'll notice during a panic attack is how it makes you feel. Your heart might start to race or beat really fast, making you feel like your heart is jumping around. You might have trouble breathing, like an invisible hand is squeezing your chest. You could feel dizzy, sweat a lot, shake, and feel like something really bad is about to happen. You might even feel like you're about to die or lose control. These feelings can be very scary and hard to understand. You might be somewhere safe, with people you know, but your mind and body are acting like you're in big danger. This mix-up between what's happening and how you're feeling can make the whole thing even scarier. But here's an important thing to remember. Panic attacks usually don't last long. They often reach their worst point within 10 minutes and then start to go away. The fear, though, can stick around, especially if you're worried about having another panic attack. Even though these attacks don't last long, they are very scary and can make you feel weak. They can make you lose your confidence and feel like you're not in control. But remember, they're a reaction to things you think are dangerous, not things that really are. And with the right help and support, they can be handled well. Panic attacks, even though they're short, can be very scary and make you feel weak. But by understanding them, we can better help those who have them and help reduce the shame around mental health. Now that we've talked about both worry attacks and sudden fear attacks, let's remember how they're different. Worry attacks slowly build up. They can last for a long time, and the strength can be from a little uncomfortable to very scary. Worry attacks are often caused by certain stressful situations and can make you feel different things in your body, like you can't sit still, you're always tired, and it's hard to focus. On the flip side, sudden fear attacks happen suddenly and are very strong, like a fast, scary storm. They happen really fast and get really strong really fast. They don't last long, but they're scary. Sudden fear attacks can happen without any clear reason, and they make your body feel things like your heart is beating too fast, you're sweating, shaking, and a feeling like something really bad is about to happen. Remember, even though worry and sudden fear attacks can feel really big and scary, there's help out there. Talk to someone who knows about feelings and like a therapist if you or someone you care about is having a hard time.